We are on Geoapify's My Projects page. Let's get started with our first project. Press the Create a Project button and enter the project name. The project has been created, and its first API key has been automatically generated. You can create multiple API keys for each of your projects. You can easily copy an API key to the clipboard by clicking the button. You can try calling an API and generate a code in your programming language. The code uses the API key you chose in the selector. Press the Try button to test the API and see a response object. Want to play with the API further? Go to the API Playground. Here you can experiment with different parameters and see how they affect the result. You can navigate to other API playgrounds and documentation pages by opening the menu on the page header. The Statistics tab shows how many API calls you have made and how much it has cost in credits. You can query statistics by API key or accumulated over a given period. Okay, it shows the zeros for our newly created project. Let me show you the Billing tab now. Here you can see the available pricing plans and choose the one that best suits your needs. You can choose between monthly or yearly billing periods and select a currency. We use credits to measure the usage of our APIs. Visit our Frequently Asked Questions page to learn more about credits. Here, you can estimate the number of credits you need for your project and find the appropriate plan. Now I'll show you how to subscribe. Select the plan and fill out the payment form. When you create a subscription for a company, check the company option. This will allow you to enter a VAT tax number and use the reverse charge procedure. We use to checkout payment provider to process payments. When you subscribe, to checkout automatically creates an account for you. You can use this account to manage your subscription, change your payment information, and view your transaction history. In addition, your invoices will be sent to the email address you specified for the payment. Have any questions? Don't hesitate to email our support or leave us a message via the chat widget. We will be happy to help you.